So today is one of those days where I'm dealing with lots of little details of things. I showed you a few weeks ago, or a week ago, that I had built a website for the career cards that we're creating, and within an afternoon I had the site pretty much up. Um, but getting something production ready always takes more time. It's like those last little details just chew up so much. You start tweaking text and copy, and then you got to check all the different, mobile breakpoints, and then we had to hook up Stripe and WooCommerce, and that changed a few different things. And anyway, it's just on and on and on. And sometimes it feels like you're just dealing with a lot of details and not making tremendous progress. And today's one of those days. I think it's kind of reminded me of when Dolly and I, our first house was being built. First it kind of feels slow when they're digging the foundation and pouring the concrete, and then all of a sudden it just goes up really fast. All the framing goes up, and the floorboards, and suddenly it feels like a house almost, in a matter of days. It seems like in our case. And then after that, the progress feels slower. It takes a while for them to get all the wiring in and the plumbing, and then the finishing work just takes a lot longer. Anyway, it's long story short, those little details are super important, but they take a long time. And sometimes it doesn't feel like as much progress because there's other steps that visibly have more change. And it's nice to be able to see visibly some of the change. But you got to get through it. So that's it for today. Talk to you tomorrow. See ya.